Hello everyone, I'm Rishma from Chennai. I've completed my BTech Honours in Civil Engineering from NIT Trichy and I've secured All India rank 575 in UPSC CSE 2020. Aram IAS Academy has played a significant role in this attempt of mine, and I had enrolled in Aram for mains test series as well as their interview guidance program. And especially when we consider mains, the inputs given by Karthikeyan sir for both GS2 and ethics had made a huge difference, which were also reflected in my marks for these two. And sir used to give me personalized inputs, especially where governance and polity was concerned. Inputs like how to quote a few articles or cases and judgments or few IPC sections, and how to read minimum and ensure that whatever I have read is translated in my works on the paper were truly significant and helped me to have an edge in the subject. And even in ethics paper, sir's inputs on how I can give personalized examples and ensure that they are given in a very concise way aided me, and all the materials which were provided in the test series ensured that I was able to have a much better grasp of the subject to help me to revise just before the mains. And many of these questions asked in the test series were also reflected in the actual exam, given that the institute focused on subunits of the syllabus. We were able to cover a vast area in each and every test involved. So we had an extensive and exhaustive list of questions which were provided other than the test series also. And as far as the interview guidance program was concerned, both Senthil sir and Karthikeyan sir were instrumental, especially they had allayed my fears with respect to my hobbies as to how I can answer questions, how I can frame my own questions and answer these questions. And also the experts' knowledge on several subjects were shared by them, and domain experts like the ISRO scientists or IFS officers were brought in to ensure that we have a much better grasp on these subjects, and whenever questions were asked on these areas, we could have an in-depth knowledge and answer these questions much better. The versatile panel set up in the mock interviews ensured that we were able to face the actual interview panel without any fear, and all the fear of public speaking, everything was addressed in these interview sessions. And also the pre-mocks and the one-to-one sessions also aided us to have a thorough idea about our DAF and how to go about it. And the Aram team had also prepared an exhaustive list of questions based on our DAF, which ensured that we could categorize which areas we were weak and work on them. And to top it all off, Senthil sir had even come to Delhi and wished us good luck on the D-Day, which was definitely a morale boost. So I thank Aram IAS Academy, my parents and God Almighty for having provided me with this opportunity. And to all future aspirants, I wish you good luck, and with a bit of perseverance and strong will, you can definitely do this too. Thank you.